Good morning children. EVS subject for second class. Nana, today our topic is about 8th lesson safety and first aid. Our topic is what Nana? Safety and first aid. Do you know what is safety Nana? Safety means what Amma? Jagratta. Kada? Jagratta antar kada? So Nana, for example, you may be playing at home. Your mother will be telling you, Nana, play slowly, don't run like that. Your mother will be telling. But will you listen to your mother? No kada వినరు కదా మన మమ్మీ మాట అసలు ఇంటి ఎట్లా మంచి పిల్లలు అయిపోతాం కదా కదా మమ్మీ మాట డాడీ మాట వింటే ఏమవుతారు పెద్దవాళ్ళని ఇప్పుడు మాట వింటే ఏమవుతారు మంచి పిల్లలు అయిపోతారు కానీ మనం కాదు కదా సో we should not listen to our parents yes or no yes కాదు no whatever they says we have to listen nana so your mother will be telling you nana play slowly don't run don't jump like that she will tell you but you will not listen at all what will happen nana you may fall down you may get hurt. That means if you don't take proper precautions, you may be get hurt. That means you have to take the safety precautions. అంటే జాగ్రత్తలు కొన్ని తీసుకోవాలి. జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవడం అంటే ఏంటిది? జాగ్రత్తగా నడవటం, జాగ్రత్తగా ఇంట్లో ఉండటం, జాగ్రత్త రోడ్ మీద వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా నడవటం, సైడ్ కి వెళ్ళటం. All these are the nothing but the safety. Okay, Nana? So there are different types of safety things are there, Nana. So Nana, only at home you should be safety, No. At home, when you are at home also, when you are at school also, when you are on the road also, we have to follow some safety rules. We have to follow some safety precautions and safety rules we have to follow. See Nana, so what at home you will be playing. Okay Nana? So how we have to play? How we have to play? By running, jumping and skidding you have to do so many children boys will be always they will be skidding అంటే ఏంటి జారుతూ ఉంటారు షూ పెట్టేసుకొని అవునా కదా సో never do like that nana so you have to walk properly and you have to see whether in front what is there and what is not there also you have to చూసుకొని జాగ్రత్తగా మనం నడుస్తూ ఉండాలి and at the same time at home always you will be playing with the electric switches do children we have to play with the electric switches nana no never we have to play with the electric switches and most of the children without knowing what they'll do with the wet hands they'll touch the switches wet hand means what nana తడి చేతులతో ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనము ఎలక్ట్రిక్ స్విచెస్ కానీ వైర్స్ కానీ టచ్ చేయొద్దు if you touch what will happen nana you may get shock okay na if you touch the electric switches or wires what will happen nana you may get shock and some wires will be cut off also కొన్ని wires cut ayi untai so in that place also you should not touch it on nana it is very dangerous to you yes or no children so your mother will be preparing food in the kitchen room yes or no children your mother will be preparing food at the kitchen room and you people will be going in the kitchen and you will be playing there can you play in the kitchen nana మనం kitchen room లో ఆడుకోవచ్చా తప్పు కదా ఆడుకోవద్దు కదా so never we have to play in the kitchen room always you have to play in separate room yes or no children in the kitchen room mommy will be preparing food if you go and disturb her what will happen nana near the stove means it will be very dangerous for you yes or no children it may be burnt also ante kada so and one more thing nana most of the children what they'll do without telling to their mother they'll go and put on the stoves will do nana no never we have to put on the stoves without your mother's help or father's help or any other elders help మీరు చిన్న పిల్లలు వెళ్ళి డైరెక్ట్ మీ తెలుగును స్టవ్ ఆన్ చేసి వచ్చేసేస్తుంటారు ఆడతానికి ఏమవుతుంది గ్యాస్ మొత్తం లీక్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటుంది అవునా కదా సో దట్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ డూ నానా సో అట్ హోమ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ మెనీ ప్రాపర్ ప్రికాషన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ అండ్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద చిల్డ్రన్ ఏం చేస్తుంటారు మమ్మీ వెజిటబుల్స్ ఫ్రూట్స్ కట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు మమ్మీ ఐ టు విల్ కట్ ద వెజిటబుల్స్ అని చాక్ తీసుకుంటారు so no you are a small children no don't play with the knives okay nana you don't know how to hold the knife first of all first you have to learn then only you have to go for cutting okay nana so don't play with the knives and scissors also em chestuntaru teliyakunda meer hair cut chestuntaru fingers nails cut cheskuntu untaru avuna kada you may be cutting your clothes without knowing only will be cutting so never you have to play with the scissors knives all those things okay na children so these are the precautions you have to take at home so and not only that nana when you are coming from the steps so many children will be running and coming if you run and come on the steps means what will happen nana you may fall down and may get hurt yes or no children so while walking on the steps also we have to walk in a proper manner చక్కగా నిదానంగా జాగ్రత్త స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ దిగుకుంటూ నడవాలి అంతేగాని 2 steps 3 steps జంప్ చేస్తూ వెళ్తుంటారు so like that you should not do at all okay na like that you should not do at all okay na children you have to be careful while walking on the steps. Okay na children? Next what Nana? Next what? At school. At school how should be Nana? In the school also you have to be very careful. We have to be very careful while playing in the corridors also. Most of the children will be running in the corridors. Corridors into balconies lo, open places into the schools lo. So at places lo you always will be running and never run on the balconies and the corridors. If you run, what will happen, Nana? You may be going. The other person will be coming from the opposite direction. So if you go and hurt one, means what will happen? Both will get hurt. Ona kada? Iddarki debbal tagutayi. Ona kada, Nana? So both will become the injured. Yes or no, children? So always we have to be careful while walking in the corridors. Yes or no, children? Yes. Next thing, Nana, while walking on the road. So how we have to walk, Nana? We have to walk always to our left side of the road only. We have to walk on a kada left side వైపు మనం ఎక్కువ నడుస్తూ ఉండాలి. So when we want to cross the road, in which place we have to cross the road, Nana? At the zebra crossing only. In the zebra crossing place only we have to cross the road. Okay na children? So next, can you play on the road, Nana? No, never we have to play on the road. Never we have to play on the road. Only we have to play in the ground only. In the playground only we have to play. And one more thing, Nana, if you want to go for swimming, like that, if you want to go for any riding, side bicycle, ఆడుకుంటూ ఉంటారు అవునా కదా, స్విమ్మింగ్ వెళ్తుంటారు. And be careful, Nana, when you are going for swimming or any riding outside, you have to take your elders and go. Okay, Nana? Swimming చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు, మీకు తెలియకుండా వాటర్ దిగిపోతారు. So it may be very dangerous. Yes or no, children? So you have to take your elders with you and you have to go for the swimming. And when you enter into the water also, we have to compulsory wear the tubes, Nana, for your security. Avuna kada, మీ బాడీకి మీరు ట్యూబ్ వేసేసుకొని స్విమ్మింగ్ చేయాలి. Until you are perfect in swimming, you have to wear a tube and go for the swimming. For example, Nana, when you are going somewhere or on the road you are going, you may get hurt. What you have to do, Nana? Any small child get hurt, what do I have to do? We have to leave them and we have to go up. అక్కడ మనం వదిలేసేసి మనం వెళ్ళిపోతామా? No, never we have to do, Nana. మన పక్కన ఎవరైనా పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే మనం we have to inform to our elders. If any person got any hurt means we have to first inform to our elders. మన పెద్దవాళ్ళకి మనం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. So what happened? The person may be crying. బాగా దెబ్బ తగిలి బాగా బ్లీడ్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. So what you have to do, Nana? అలాగే బ్లడ్ కారిపోతుంటే అలాగే మనం హాస్పిటల్కి తీసుకెళ్తామా? No, never we have to take them to the hospital like that. First we have to do the first aid. First we have to do the first aid. First of all, tell me what is the meaning of first aid, Nana? First aid ante entamma? What if any person get any hurt? The first treatment what you give to that person is nothing but the first aid. Whatever the treatment first you give to the person is nothing but the that is the first aid. What treatment will give, Nana? Meer anachu, మేము చిన్న పిల్లలు మేమేం ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇస్తాం మేడం అనొచ్చు. No, we can do first aid, we can do it, Nana. So for example, your friend got any small hurt. What you will do, Nana? First we have to take some water and you have to clean that wound. First మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఎక్కడైతే దెబ్బ తగిలిందో అక్కడ వాటర్ పెట్టి నీట్గా క్లీన్ చేసేసి then you have to apply any antiseptic lotion డెటాల్ కానీ టించర్ అలాంటివి ఉంటాయి కదా లోషన్స్ లిక్విడ్స్, that you have to apply with the cotton. And then after that any small ointments will be there, no compulsory. So that ointments you have to apply and then we have to take them to the hospital. And before that, Nana, we have to give some water to them to drink. ఎందుకంటే దెబ్బ తగలని ఏమవుతుంది, మనకి భయం వేస్తూ ఉంటుంది, భయపడిపోతూ ఉంటాం. ఆ భయానికి ఏమవుతుంది, షివరింగ్ వస్తుంది, ఇంకెక్కువ బ్లీడ్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ moral support for them. మనం ఏం చేయాలి, వాళ్ళకి మోరల్ సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఏం కాదు, భయపడద్దు, మేము ఉన్నామనే మోరల్ సపోర్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ మీన్స్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ they will come out from the fear. వాళ్ళు ఆ భయం నుంచి వాళ్ళు బయటకు వచ్చేస్తారు. So okay na, so these are the precautions you have to do, Nana. So first aid means what, I think you are at your home, all your homes first aid box are there. In the first aid boxes what will be there, Nana? Yes, so ointment, Dettol, cotton, tincture, scissors, band-aids, all these will be handy. Okay na children? So if you don't have also, from today onwards ask your parent to get one first aid box. Okay na? Emergency చెప్పలేం కదా, ఎప్పుడు ఎవరికి ఏమవుతుందో చెప్పలేం. సో ఎమర్జెన్సీలో మనకి ఎప్పుడు కూడా always we have to keep first aid box at our home also. Or most of the schools, every school will maintain the first aid boxes. In our school also is there or not, Nana? Yes, in the same manner at home also ask your parents to keep one first aid box. Okay na children? For example, and one more thing, sometimes you may get any burnt, ఏమైనా కాలింది అనుకోండి, మీరు వంటింట్లో మమ్మీ లేకుండా మంచి సైలెంట్ వంటింట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి స్టవ్ వెలిగించారు, ఏమవుతుంది, మీ చెయ్యి కాలిపోయింది. సో కొంచెం ఉబ్బి కాలిపోయింది. సో ఏం చేయాలి, అప్పుడు కొంచెం ఏడుస్తూ కూర్చుంటామా? నో, వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ నాన్న, ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు పోర్ సమ్ కూల్ వాటర్, చల్లటి వాటర్ కానీ చల్లటి ఏమైనా చల్లటి ఉంటే అప్లై చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ కూడా బర్నాలు అవి ఉంటాయి కదా యాంటీమెంట్స్ ఇంట్లో, దాన్ని మనం ఫస్ట్ అప్లై చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో నాన్న, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రికాషన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ద సేఫ్టీ మెజర్మెంట్స్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే నాన్న? సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు not to do at home nana? Never we should jump or play. Okay na? Inside the house we should not play nana. Out of the house and any other open place we have to play. Okay na? While playing also we should be careful that the other persons may not should get any hurt from other persons. And next nana, next inka cheppandi, inka emana points cheppandi meeku teliste. Still what more points? So nana, and one more thing is main important thing is, so we should not when we are going on the road we should not go individually. Okay na? So you are the small kids, chinna pillalu kada mi andaru. So always when you are going on the road, if you want to go to purchase anything, you have to take your elders, any of your elders you have to take with them, you have to take with them and you have to go and never play on the roadside. Okay nana? And if you want, for example, so unexpectedly you are only single or you are going on the road, so appudu em avutadi, so you don't know how to cross the road. So how we have to cross the road nana? If you want to cross the road, where you have to cross? Yes, we have to cross the road on the zebra crossing. On the zebra, while you are going on the zebra crossing also, first we have to look to your left side. First eppudu kuda manam mid side chudalana, manam road cross cheyalante first we have to look to your left side and then you are to your right side and again to the left side and then you have to cross the road. This is the main important thing you have to keep nana. Mana eppudaina road cross chestunnappudu em cheyali, left side chudali, తర్వాత right side chudali, malli left side chusi, then you have to cross the road. Yes or no children? Yes. So this is about your lesson safety and first aid nana. So this is your first aid box. Okay na? So this is a plus symbol for the first aid box. Okay na? Doctors ki symbol em untundi nana? Plus symbol untundi kada? So for first aid also this is the first aid box we have. Okay na nana? So now we will see the hard words lesson we have completed. Now first we will look into the hard words. SAFETY, safety. SAFETY, safety. Next, SCISSORS, scissors. And there is no word scissor at all. Chala mandi emantaru scissor antaru. There is no word scissor at all. Only the word is scissors. There is no singular form itself is the scissors. Okay na? Singular plural ani cheppani s add cheste plural antaru kada. No, scissors itself is a singular word. Okay na nana? SCISSORS, scissors. KNIVES, knives. KNIVES, knives. ELECTRICAL, electrical. ELECTRICAL, electrical. TRAFFIC, traffic. LIGHT, light, traffic light. TRAFFIC, traffic. LIGHT, light, traffic light. FIRST, first. AID, aid, first aid. FIRST, first. AID, aid, first aid. First aid means what nana? Just a minute to if any person gets any hurt, the first treatment what you give to that person is nothing but the first aid. Okay nana? Next, ANTISEPTIC, antiseptic. ANTISEPTIC, antiseptic. It is a liquid or lotion unlike Dettol lantidi. Okay na? These are the hard words we have nana. Not only this, so still more hard words are there in the textbook. Parents, please help your children in reading the lessons. Lesson reading is very important for your children. Okay na? Please help your children reading the lesson readings. And wherever the hard words you find in the textbook, underline the hard words and write these hard words, minimum 10 to 15 hard words in your notes. And please learn the spellings. Okay na?